In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocks on Squarespace. This handy guide will assist you in navigating your Squarespace site and making the most out of its features in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. Firstly, let's start by visiting Squarespace. You can do this by typing squarespace.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in is getting you logged in to your account. Locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Squarespace dashboard and all its features. Upon clicking Login, you'll be presented with a few options for how you'd like to continue. One of the most convenient methods is to continue with Google. This allows you to use your Google account credentials for a quick and easy login process. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you use for Squarespace. This step is as simple as clicking on the correct Google account, which will then redirect you back to Squarespace, logged in and ready to go. Once logged in, it's time to head over to your website. You can easily find your website by going to this direct link, insert link here, or from your Squarespace dashboard, search for and select your site if you have more than one. Now with your website open, your next stop is the Pages section. This is where all the magic happens. Each page on your Squarespace site can contain various blocks, like text, images and videos, which you can fully customize. Look for the Pages option in your dashboard, or follow this direct link to get there. Insert link here. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see a list of your site's pages. It's time to dive into the specifics. Click on the page you wish to edit from the list. Each page of your site is an opportunity to showcase your content, and understanding how to maneuver through it is key. Once you've selected a page, you're just a few clicks away from viewing and editing the blocks. With your chosen page open, look for the Edit button. This button is your access to modifying the content of the page. Clicking Edit transforms the page into an editable canvas where you can add or adjust any blocks as needed. Finally, to view a specific block, simply click on it. Whether it's a text block, an image, or any other type of content, clicking it will bring up its specific settings and options. This is where you can edit the block's content, style, or even its position on the page. Remember, Squarespace is designed to be intuitive, so feel free to experiment with clicking on different blocks to see how you can customize your page to match your vision. The beauty of Squarespace lies in its flexibility and ease of use, allowing you to bring any web design to life. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to view blocks on Squarespace. Each step is designed to make your Squarespace experience smooth and enjoyable. Don't hesitate to review any step as needed, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy editing.